Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Mhla ka-15 kuDisemba 2025 kuye kwaba khona i-motion of no confidence lapha kwe-legislature yase-KZN eyayifakwe i-MK Party. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuba ibe khona leyo motion of no confidence, CIC Julius Malema wakumemezela ekhuluma nabezindaba ukuthi i-EFF izosupporta i-MK Party lapha KwaZulu Natal ngoba abantu bakwaZulu Natal bavotela i-MK Party ngobuningi. Siyazi ukuthi i-MK Party ino-45% lapha KwaZulu Natal. Kwase kuhlangana lama amanye amaqembu ke akhanda i-Government of Provincial Unity ngoba bona aba yinamba enkulu, kodwa lokho kwakwenziwa ukuthi bathola i-NFP. NFP njone yabapha i-vote lokuthi bekwazi ukuhlanganisa uhulumeni. So wayesethi ke bazoyisupporta i-MK Party lapha KwaZulu Natal. Kodwa ngolesihlanu lo lesisuka kulo uma ekhuluma namalungu e-EFF wachazelile isizathu esenza ukuthi kungani esupport i-MK Party. Akayisupport i-MK Party ngoba efuna iphathe. Yebo khona kufanele iphathe ngoba abantu abaningi bavotela yona, kodwa ufuna ukuthi basupport i-MK Party ukuze abantu bakwaZulu Natal bezobona ukuthi benza iphutha ngokuvotela i-MK Party. NgokukaJulius Malema, i-MK Party ayizukwazi ukuphatha kahle noma izohluleka ukuphatha kahle. Lokhu ngisho ngokukaJulius Malema. So uma ngabe inikezwe ithuba lokuthi iphathe bese iyahluleka ukuphatha kahle, lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi abantu bakwaZulu Natal bazibona ukuthi benza iphutha. Le nkulumo ngisho ngokukaJulius Malema. uJulius Malema ucabanga kanjalo. Noma ngingasazi isizathu esenza ukuthi acabanga kanjalo, uma ubheka kukhona abantu abanjengobaba uWillis Mchunu, oconvenor wase-KZN, ubephethe vele ngaphambilini esese-ANC. Kodwa ngokukaJulius Malema, i-MK Party uma ingasiphathe izohluleka ukwenza kahle. So ngizokucaphunela ivideo uyizwe lento engisho ngoba angisusele ekhanda, kodwa ishuwe nguye uCIC ngqo. Ngicela uzwe la.
To the leadership in KZN, it is time to fight for your rightful place in that province, because the people of KZN are beginning to realize that they made a big mistake in 2024 elections. The people of KZN were in search of a father figure, voted for people who do not have a clue of what they are doing. And as a result, nothing is changing in KZN for the betterment of the lives of our people. Do not be scared when we say to you, support MKP to govern in KZN, because that is the will of the voters. The voters must be given that which they voted for and experience the mess they voted for. They must govern so that they do not campaign on a ticket that they were denied a chance to govern when they got the majority vote.
Mzule ku-CIC esho ukuthi abantu base-KZN bavotela abantu abangena clue nokuthi yini efuneka bayenze. Yingakho ingena nqubekela phambili kunengekho futhi i-service delivery KZN. Ngakho ke yingakho ke befuna ukuthi basupport i-MK Party ngoba ufuna ukuthi inikwe ithuba yehluleke. Bengabe i-MK Party masithola ithuba lokucampaign abesithi ayizange inikwe ithuba lokuphatha ngoba ngokwakhe unesiqiniseko sokuthi izohluleka i-MK Party.
ukuphatha lapha eKZN bese bona bengena ngalelo nxeba lelo ngoba bakholelwa ekuthenini MK Party yathatha amavoti wabo. Abantu base KZN babefuna ifather figure hayi ngoba babefuna umuntu abangamethemba. Kodwa lo muntu ababengamethemba nalabantu abamsane nabo akukho lutho abangalwenza kahle. Lokho ngikuthathele enkulumeni engiqeda ukucaphunela yona kaCIC. Nafanele sivume ukuthi MK Party iphathi entsha. Ineminyaka ewu2. Izohlanganisa unyaka wesithathu nge-16 zika December zakulonyaka. Inayo izohlanganisa unyaka wesithathu. So iphathi entsha. Kodwa iphuthe kungafanelanga silenze ileli lokucabanga ukuthi angeke baze baphathe labantu ngoba abantu laba baku-MK Party babuya kuma-political parties ehlukene. Bebenama responsibilities kuwo lawo ma-political parties ehlukene. Abanye babo bake baba ku-government. Ngiyakhumbula iqala ukungena eParliament abantu babethi abantu balahla amavoti wabo ayiparticipate. Kodwa ngithi thina sibuka ama-portfolio committee siyayibona i-participation yabo. Nabantu ke ababuka le channel ngenxa yokuthi izinto ezenzeka eParliament siyazicaphuna nizibone niyalazi igalelo lobaba uBrian Molefe lapha kwi-portfolio committee le ye-finance. Niyalazi igalelo ka Lucky Montana kwi-portfolio committee yaka transport. So ngabala ama-portfolio committee ehlukene. Ngabala ama-portfolio committee ehlukene. Omsezane lapha ku-higher education. So labo bantu labo ababekhuluma babethi abantu balahla ivoti labo kodwa mosubheka manje i-expectation yabantu yayinkulu kanti ayahlupha kama expectations ahlupha ngempela ngoba uku-expect ulindele umuntu uthi akenza into nawe uma unganikwa ithuba ubungeke uzuyenza nawe nje unguwe uma unganikwa ithuba ngeke uzuyenza. So asazi sizobona khona kwenzakalani kodwa ngokusho kaCIC uyafisa ukuthi MK Party sengathi mayifaka i-motion of no confidence iphumelele ukuze izophatha bese iyehluleka. Khumbula ukuthi nge-16 zika June mayikhuluma lapha wayese KZN nakhona wathi abantu base KZN bavota nje. They voted for fools. Washo njalo yena. Kwasho yena. Washo njalo. Manje njengoba manje ethi abantu base KZN bazozisola ngoba bavotela abantu abangena clue. Kodwa ufuna ukuthi bakuprove lokho. Yazi nami angilona ilunga le-MK Party. Kodwa sengiyafisa sengathi ingaphasa i-motion of no confidence engafakwa noma iliphi iqembu noma i-MK Party. Ebesinikwa ithuba lokuphatha ngifuna ukubona ukuthi izohluleka noma ngeke izihluleke. Ke ngathi ngelinye ilanga uFloyd esese ku-MK Party ngathi ama-fighters athandazela ukuwa kaFloyd. Ama-fighters athandazela usuku lapho i-MK Party yohluleka khona. Kodwa le nkulumo kaCIC has proven me right ukuthi ngempela alukho usuku liyoba injabulo. Alukho usuku liyoba intokozo njengosuku lapho iMK Party yohluleka khona kuma-fighters noma kwi-EFF yonke ngoba iyona into abayifisayo. Uma kungase kwenzeke lokho bayothi ebantwini sanitshela ukuthi yayingekho yonke lento le. Kodwa uma kungase kwenzeke bengahluleki angikholwa angeke phela ufisela abantu engathi bangafeyila bese uyajabula uma bengafeyili. Angeke kuze kwenzeke. Ngeke nje kuze kwenzeke. Angiyibambe ivideo ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulolu daba nje sizixoxayo. Ngale kwalokho mina nabasithi banike ivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.